We've arrived at site. One of the first thing we'll do is get our workbench out. Toughbuilt did very kindly send me out this quick set workbench, so let's take a look at it. To set up the workbench could not be simpler. There's a orange button with the number 1 on. You press it down, the legs fold out into place until they click. That is it, it's up. The bench will hold 450 kilograms, I believe, which is about £1,000, which is super amount of weight. You can see it's really sturdy, it's nice hard plastic, nice size working area. We have slots in it for clamping and some holes also. Along both edges we have a bit of a ruler, we have inches on one side, we have metric on the other. There is also some angle marks, 90, 105, 120, 135, which could be used to get a rough idea of where your cuts need to be. A little cool feature on the front, we have these clips. Now it comes with one, you can actually put one on each corner. This is so if you have a working pouch, you take your pouch off your belt and there it is, it's stored neatly onto the table. The holes are in fact 3/4 or 19mm, so if you do have some bench dogs, these will fit in. These are 20mm ones so they don't fit, or of course you can always 3D print some. If you have a clamp where you can take off the ends, you can then pass it through the holes, of course tighten up the clamp at the bottom of the other end, and of course now you can clamp down your workpiece as required, and there's plenty of options around the table to do so. The table down, it's also really simple. You press the number 2, then you press the number 1 and push the handle in. As you push the handle in, it folds the legs into place for you. And there we have it. It's all collapsed straight away. Overall, this seems a super sturdy bench. It's really strong. It doesn't rock. I think this will be a go-to bench for site work from now on. Thanks for watching.